President Abraham Lincoln remains popular today for several deep, lasting reasons, but his time in office is mixed with some controversy. Lincoln led the United States through the Civil War, when the country was close to breaking apart. His steady leadership during extreme division made him a symbol of unity and national survival. Lincoln is also closely associated with emancipation and the moral turning point against slavery. His role in the Emancipation Proclamation and the 13th Amendment made him a lasting symbol of freedom and human dignity. Lincoln also was able to articulate America's highest ideals. Through speeches like the Gettysburg Address, Lincoln expressed ideas of equality, sacrifice, humility, and democracy in language that still resonates today. There are some controversial aspects of Lincoln's legacy. During the Civil War, Lincoln suspended habeas corpus, allowing the government to detain individuals without immediate trial. Also, while preserving the Union was a central goal, Lincoln's decisions as commander-in-chief prolonged a brutal war that resulted in more than 600,000 deaths. Lincoln also had a limited early commitment to racial equality. Although Lincoln ultimately became a key figure in ending slavery, earlier in his presidency, he prioritized preserving the Union over immediate abolition and did not initially support full social or political equality for Black Americans. His views, however, did evolve. Some of his top positive contributions, however, are ending slavery, preserving the Union, and advancing democratic ideals. Lincoln's assassination at the end of the Civil War made him a national martyr, forever linking his image with sacrifice, reconciliation, and unfinished work.